Welcome to In 5 Minutes, where we dive into different topics in just 300 seconds. Today, we're exploring the journey of Jeremy Renner, from humble beginnings to Hollywood stardom and his incredible fight for survival. Jeremy Renner's journey began in Modesto, California. Born to teenagers Lee Renner and Valerie Searly, who later divorced when Jeremy was about 10, he grew up in a large, supportive family. Despite the lean years in his early acting career, Renner's parents always encouraged his artistic pursuits. After graduating from Fred C. Bayer High School in 1989, Renner's path took an unexpected turn. While studying computer science and criminology at Modesto Junior College, a drama class elective ignited a new passion in him, leading him to pursue acting. Balancing his passion for acting with practicality, Renner also found a creative outlet in renovating houses with a close friend. But as his acting career began to gain traction, there was less time for this second job. Renner's film debut came in 1995 with National Lampoon's Senior Trip. Though it wasn't a blockbuster, it laid the foundation for what was to come. He persevered through the years, slowly making his mark in the industry. Renner's big break came with roles in major films like Mission Impossible, The Avengers, and The Bourne Legacy. Moving from indie films to these blockbusters, Renner maintained his artistic integrity, focusing on the truth of each character, regardless of the movie's scale. Renner embraces each role with enthusiasm, whether it's a magician in a James Gray film alongside Joaquin Phoenix and Marion Cotillard, or a superhero in the Marvel Universe. His journey from Modesto to Hollywood is a story of resilience, talent, and unwavering dedication. In his personal life, Renner has experienced both joy and challenges. He married Canadian model Sonny Pacheco in January 2014, and they welcomed a daughter, the light of Renner's life. However, by the end of 2014, Pacheco filed for divorce, citing irreconcilable differences. Despite the split, Renner and Pacheco share custody of their daughter, who, along with her mother, even made cameo appearances in the film American Hustle. Since 2014, Renner has called Washoe County, Nevada, home, living near the scenic Mount Rose ski resort. His passion for home renovation extends beyond the screen, as he runs a house renovating business with his best friend and fellow actor, Christopher Winters. A man of many talents, Renner has trained in arnis and Muay Thai martial arts, skills that have come in handy for his action-packed roles in the Mission Impossible and Avengers franchises. An avid sports fan, Renner's love for the San Francisco 49ers is well known. He's even lent his voice to the NFL Network documentary series, The Timeline, narrating an episode about the 49ers' rivalry with the Dallas Cowboys and the introductory video for the opening of Levi's Stadium. Jeremy Renner's life off-screen is as rich and diverse as his on-screen personas. From a dedicated father and home renovation enthusiast to a martial artist and sports fan, Renner's personal life adds depth to his dynamic career. Jeremy Renner's cinematic journey is as diverse as it is impressive. From his early roles to blockbuster fame, he's showcased his extraordinary range as an actor. Starting with National Lampoon's Senior Trip in 1995, Renner began carving out his space in Hollywood. His chilling portrayal of Jeffrey Dahmer in 2002's Dahmer marked a turning point, showcasing his ability to dive deep into complex characters. In SWAT, Renner displayed his knack for action, a trait that would define much of his later work. The Hurt Locker in 2008 was a critical triumph. As Sergeant William James, Renner earned widespread acclaim, including an Oscar nomination. His gritty portrayal in The Town further cemented his status as a Hollywood heavyweight. Renner then leaped into the world of blockbusters with Mission Impossible: Ghost Protocol and as Hawkeye in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, starting with an uncredited cameo in Thor and later in the Avengers series. Taking the lead in The Bourne Legacy, Renner proved his ability to carry a major action franchise. Diversifying his roles, he appeared in the critically acclaimed American Hustle and the sci-fi hit Arrival, showcasing his versatility. In Wind River, Renner delivered a powerful performance, adding yet another dimension to his expansive career. From action hero to complex character roles, Jeremy Renner's career is a kaleidoscope of memorable performances. On a snowy New Year's Day, a moment of fear turned into a fight for life for Jeremy Renner. In the quiet expanse of Washoe County, Nevada, Renner faced an unforeseen danger. His heroism in a mundane task turned tragic. Renner was using his snow removal tractor, a giant Pistendally snow groomer, to free his nephew's truck from the clutches of winter. But in a twist of fate, the snowcat, unbound by its parking brake, began its treacherous slide. With instincts of protection, Renner exited the vehicle, a perilous decision. He sought to divert the beastly machine to save his nephew from its path. But in his courageous attempt, Renner was pulled under, the moving track ensnaring him, a tragic embrace by the iron giant. The Pistendally, relentless in its course, left Renner beneath its weight, his body bearing the brutal testament of its passage. The right side of his chest collapsed, his upper torso crushed. Renner lay there, fighting for each breath, a battle for life under the vast Nevada sky. His nephew, alongside others, rushed to his aid, their quick actions a beacon of hope in the chilling silence. Airlifted to the hospital, Renner faced over 2 weeks of grueling recovery, enduring surgeries, the quiet resilience of his spirit evident in the sterile confines of the ICU. Through this harrowing ordeal, Renner's spirit remained unbroken. Over 30 bones fractured, yet his resolve strengthened, a testament to his unwavering fortitude. In an Instagram post, he reflected on this life-altering experience and newfound appreciation for the fragile yet fierce nature of life. His journey of healing, physical and emotional, became a beacon of hope and resilience. Jeremy Renner, the superhero on screen, revealed his true heroism in the face of adversity. His recovery, a journey marked by determination and love, reminds us of the indomitable human spirit. And that's the incredible journey of Jeremy Renner in 5 minutes. From Modesto to Marvel. Renner's path has been marked by resilience, versatility, and a relentless spirit. Join us next time on In 5 Minutes as we uncover exciting topic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating stories.